Hello, I'm Dr. Chumble. Today let's talk about upper and lower eyelid lifts. It's one of our most common procedures and one of our most popular ones that folks ask questions about when they call in. So in terms of cost, let's get that out of the way first. It'll depend on three things: the surgeon's fee and our expertise and the knowledge that we have to do the procedure in a safe way. The second part will be the facility that's chosen for your procedure, whether you choose to go to the operating room or whether you choose to be doing it in a minor procedure operating room, which is completely appropriate too, or whether you choose to have anesthesia in the form of a numbing shot versus going completely to sleep. So all of those factors will help determine what cost you finally end up needing to pay for the procedure. Folks often ask if insurance will cover the procedure. For upper eyelid lifts, it can. If you have hooding of the upper eyelid that is blocking your vision, a test can be done by an ophthalmologist to determine whether you have enough of that hooding for your insurance company to consider whether or not it needs to be covered. For the lower eyelids, it's often not covered by insurance unless you have very specific conditions, such as we age, sometimes the eyelids fold out a little bit or even fold in a little bit. Those can be covered, but usually folks are not presenting with those problems. For the lower eyelids, we address the bags under the eyelids and excess skin, and then sometimes tighten the lower eyelid as well, and that's usually a cosmetic procedure. Whereas for the upper eyelid, it can either be cosmetic for facial rejuvenation to give you a fresher look, or it can be for insurance purposes, like we mentioned, for the hooding. In terms of recovery from an upper or lower eyelid lift can take, in the short term, about 10 to 14 days. That will include some of the swelling and bruising that's present. However, there can be a component of swelling that lasts a bit longer than that. In terms of other forms of recovery for this procedure, it's important to take care of the scars, and we'll walk you through that process as well. So if you want to talk more about an upper or lower eyelid lift and are ready for a rejuvenated appearance, do come see us at Northland Plastic Surgery for a personalized consultation.